Keep them moving steady.
Clear on the left.
All right, next group coming down the ramp now. Move up, let's go. Keep them straight.
They look healthy and relaxed.
Yes, the new feed seems to be working well.
The flow rate is steady now.
And the pressure is optimal. They have plenty of clean water.
Everything looks good here.
Yes, the automatic cleaning cycle finished perfectly.
The follicle looks healthy on the scan.
Agreed. The measurements are consistent with the previous assessment.
Body condition score is a solid 6. Eyes and mouth are clear.
I have that recorded. Ready for the vaccination now.
That completes the round for this group.
All data uploaded to the cloud system, Doctor.
Watch the gap on the left. Okay, send the next 3.
Make sure that cut goes to line 3.
Got it, sending it now.
Increase line 3 speed now.
Temperature is steady at 3 degrees Celsius.
Flow rate is consistent.
Looks good. I'll log that.
This batch is clear for packaging.
Noted. Keep the pace steady.
We're clear for the next run, but keep an eye on the slicer alignment down there.
This pallet is ready for dock 4.
I'll log it now.
Check this section for any blemishes.
We have a slight variation right here.
I see it.
Yeah.
Let's monitor the next sheet.
This batch is clear. Move it to the rinse tank. Confirmed. Next batch coming through. Right there, see the mark? Yeah, perfect. Securing the vacuum. The thickness is exactly 3 millimeters.
Perfect. Run the next batch.
Check this reading right here. It's within tolerance. The consistency is excellent across the board.
The digital inventory count matches the physical stock here. We rotate these full grain leathers every 90 days.
Very organized. The conditions appear optimal.
As you can see on the tablet, the batch numbers match the physical inventory.
Okay.
Everything seems to be in order, thank you.
Increase the flow rate on the center nozzles. Already on it, optimizing pressure now.